Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to set up the Google Ads conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager. If you have ever wondered whether your ads are actually leading to real results like sales signups or any specific action on your website, then this video is for you. Conversion tracking is crucial for measuring the success of your campaigns and understanding what's working so you can make data driven decisions to boost your ROI. So let's get back to the screen and let's see how to set up for the Google Ads conversion tracking and then pass the data to the Google Ads platform. So at first you have to log into your Google Ads account, and you can see from the goals part you will see the conversion, and from here you can create a new conversion action. So click on the website and you have to put your website domain. So I'm putting this one, and then add a conversion action manually. So for now, I would set up a conversion tracking for the purchase event, and here you can put. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how you can set up Google Ads conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager and send the data to the Google Ads platform. So if you have ever wondered whether your ads are actually leading to real results like sales, signups, or any specific action on your website, then this video is for you. Conversion tracking is crucial for measuring the success of your campaigns and understanding what's working so you can make data driven decisions to boost your ROI. So let's get back to the screen and see how it works. So you can see you have to go to your Google Ads platform, and from the goals part you can see the to create a new conversion. So before create a conversion, we have to check few things from the Google Tag Manager. Usually, we'll send the data through the Google Tag Manager. So make sure your Google Tag Manager is connected with your website, so you can actually track those things. So at first, let's go to a preview. So for now, I would like to track a purchase event, but you can track based on your website what conversion you want to track. So for right now, I'm doing a purchase here. Now after doing a purchase here, you can see from the purchase event, we can see here few data layer parts. So we have to send some few data with conversion goal, like we have to send the value, the transaction ID, and the currency one. So let's create some variables here. So at first let's create a variable for currency. So it would be like e-commerce dot currency, and then the value, that's mean the total purchase value. So it would be like e-commerce dot, and from the variable you can see there is a value 1. So after e-commerce dot value, and then last one would be for the transaction ID. So now here would be again the same one, e-commerce dot, and here would be the transaction ID. You can see here the transaction ID. You have to make copy as like this same. Okay, so here created the variables. So we will do tracking for the purchase event. Okay, so then we need to create a conversion from the Google Ads account. Just go to the goals and create a new conversion action. So you have to put your domain and then scan and add a conversion action manually, and then you can choose based on your expected conversion. So for here I would choose the purchase, and I can put any purchase conversion name. Now here would be we have to choose the value for each, different values for each conversion. That is because for the purchase event, but when you are doing tracking for the leads event, you can choose the same value for each conversion. Okay, so here would be counting for all every conversion, and you can keep those things remain same. Agree and continue. And here we'll do tracking using the Google Tag Manager. So we need to choose the Google Tag Manager part. Before that, here is a one Google Tag code you'll find from this event snippet. So I'm just putting it here. Now here I would need to create a Google tag. So you can see here this is starting the AW and this number. So I'm just copying this one, add the Google tag ID and make it trigger for the all pages. So that's it. And also then we need to create a conversion linker. So as like same conversion linker, trigger would be for the all pages. And then we'll create the Google Ads conversion. Like choose the Google Ads tag, Google Ads conversion tracking, and here about the conversion ID. So for the conversion ID and conversion level, you will find like from here here when you go there, you can see here the conversion ID number. Just paste this conversion ID, and here is the conversion level. Okay, so then you can see some few things like you have to send the conversion value data, conversion transaction ID, currency code. So that's mean what we previously created the variable, just we need to add here. Like for the value part, we can add the value. Here would be the transaction ID, and then the currency code. Okay, so we added all of those things here, and make sure the trigger would be for only for the purchase event. So that's it. That's it. So we can send the data. So we are sending the values data, the total purchase values, the transaction IDs number, and the total currency. And those things will show here when just only the purchase event fire here. So that's it. Just then you can put your tag name. So I'm here, Google Ads purchase tag, and then just simply save this one and just submit. And after publish, from here you can just make it done. And then when you sending the data, in here you can see the all conversion, the total conversion value, and this status will be the active. So that's it. In this way, very simply, step by step, you can set up your Google Ads conversion goals and what events you want to track. You can send the data here as like this for the Google Ads conversion. So that's it for today, and let's see for any new upcoming video, and we will talk another topic.